Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm preparing a dairy-free dragon fruit and mango smoothie. This is so refreshing, guys, and it's definitely a must try. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, continue watching, guys. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. So here's a run through of our ingredients, guys. Here we have some mango. I have frozen dragon fruit, lime or lemon, which is good, and ice cubes, of course. But if you're adding dairy to this, then you omit the lime and just add the rest of ingredients. And this is simple, guys. So continue watching and I'll catch you in another upload. So please watch to the end, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and I'll talk to you in another video, guys. So continue watching. Bye for now.